Mathematics, linear, 1 ma 0. Edexcel GCSE Mathematics, linear, 1 ma 0. Place value materials required for examination items included with question papers, ruler graduated in centimeter and nil millimeters, protractor, compasses, pen, HB pencil, eraser. Tracing paper may be used. Instructions: use black ink or ballpoint pen. Fill in the boxes at the top of this page with your name, center number, and candidate number. Answer all questions. Answer the questions in the spaces provided. There may be more space than you need. Calculators may be used. Information: the marks for each question are shown in brackets. Use this as a guide as to how much time to spend on each question. Questions labeled with an asterisk are ones where the quality of your written communication will be assessed. You should take particular care on these questions with your spelling, punctuation, and grammar, as well as the clarity of expression. Advice: read each question carefully before you start to answer it. Keep an eye on the time. Try to answer every question. Check your answers if you have time at the end. 1a. Write the number 4062 in figures. 1b. Write down the value of the 7 in the number 76,320. 1c. Write the number 2536 to the nearest hundred. 1. Total 3 marks. 2. A. Write the number 3187 to the nearest thousand. 1. B. Write the number 4681 in figures. 1. C. Write the number 5060 in words. 1. Total 3 marks. 3. A. Write the number 5250 in words. 1. B. Write 23,250 to the nearest thousand. 1. C. Write down the value of the 3 in the number 42,350. 1. D. Write 6,374 in figures. 1. Total 4 marks. 4. A. Write the number 9,374 in figures. 1. B. Write the number 62,500 in words. 1. C. Write down the value of the 8 in the number 3,285. 1. D. Write the number 2,174 to the nearest hundred. 1. E. Write the number 7,362 to the nearest thousand. 1. Total 5 marks. 554,327 people watched a concert. A. Write 54,327 to the nearest thousand. 1. B. Write down the value of the 5 in the number 54,327. 1. Total 2 marks. 6. A. Write the number 17,252 in figures. 1. B. Write the number 5,367 correct to the nearest hundred. 1. C. Write down the value of the 4 in the number 274,863. 1. Total 3 marks. 7. A. Write the number 7,252 in figures. 1. B. Write the number 3,086 in words. 1. C. Write the number 4,637 to the nearest hundred. 1. D. Write the value of 2 in the number 5,271. 1. Total 4 marks. 8. Fiona has 4 cards. Each card has a number written on it. Fiona puts all 4 cards on the table to make a number. A. I. Write the numbers on the cards to show the smallest number Fiona can make with the 4 cards. 2. Write the numbers on the cards to show the largest number Fiona can make with the 4 cards. 2. Fiona uses the cards to make a true statement. B. Write the number on the cards to make this true. Use each of Fiona's cards once. 1. A 5th card is needed to show the result of the multiplication 4,915 times 10. She needs a 5th card. C. Write the number that should be on the fifth card. 1. Total 4 marks. 9. A. Write the number 3425 in figures. 1. B. Write down the value of 4 in the number 2840. 1. C. Write the number 279 to the nearest hundred. 1. Total 3 marks, 10. A. Write the number 5264 in words. 1. B. Write the number 5264 to the nearest hundred. 1. C. Write down the value of the 6 in the number 5264. 1. Total 3 marks. 11. A. Write the number 19,482 in figures. 1. B. Write the number 7,824 correct to the nearest hundred. 1. C. Write down the value of the 3 in the number 2387. 1. Total 3 marks, 12. A. Write the number 4062 in figures. 1. B. Write down the value of the 7 in the number 76320. 1. C. Write the number 2536 to the nearest hundred. 1. Total 3 marks. 13. A. Write the number 9374 in figures. 1. B. Write the number 62500 in words. 1. C. Write down the value of the 8 in the number 3285. 1. D. Write the number 2174 to the nearest hundred. 1. E. Write the number 7362 to the nearest thousand. 1. Total 5 marks.